So this is Vietnam. Magdahan-dahan dito kasi kung hindi, masaside-swept tayo. Nasabi ko kay Ate Andy, as Pinoys, I think sanay na rin naman tayo sa mga ganito. Tayo mga Pinoy, hinasa tayo ng patintero para sa mga ganitong sitwasyon eh. So ito po yung kanyang Michelin sign. So this is the best pho in Hanoi. Ang ganda, super aesthetic. This coffee shop is very environmental friendly since may mga recycled sila things here. We'll taste the original egg coffee, guys. Cute! Nag-work pa si Lolo. Yeah, I think this is the country na isang area. Sunod-sunod yung kape, guys. As in. Delish. So this is Hanoi at night. Small chairs plus people converging over drinks. Xin chào, guys. Xin chào. Kumusta kayong lahat? So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Hanoi, Vietnam. So, this is one of our dream destinations kasi ever since sinabi ng Europe tour guide namin na si Chris last year na one of the two distinct countries na napunta niya talaga. I mean, two countries na napunta niya na really feel distinct are Cuba and Vietnam. So, nung sinabi, naisip ko, shucks, I wish I could go to Vietnam. And now we're here, especially dito sa Hanoi. So Hanoi is one of the ancient cities in the world na very rich yung history and culture, yung mga cuisine, and then of course the natural wonders around. So I can't really wait to explore this country or this city. Kasi actually pupunta din tayo sa Halong Bay. Marami tayong pupuntahan. Pero ito ay isang first day vlog lang, okay? So hati-hatiin ko syempre yung videos para may aabangan kayo every week or every day. So ayun, binook ko yung mga activities na yon via Klook. Marami tayong binook via Klook, okay? Kasi mas makakamura tayo if mapubok tayo online prior to our trip. And of course, you can use my promo code DaveGino para maka 5% off kayo. So ayan, ang saya, ang dami na nating nakikita dito. So malapit na daw tayo sa hotel natin, it's very near. So nagbook tayo sa Old Quarter. Ayan, so yung pinaka famous na area dito sa Vietnam ay Old Quarter na I believe may 36 streets. So dito makikita nyo nga yung distinct na Hanoian architecture. Hanoian architecture, expert yarn. Pero ang sayo. And it's really bustling. So kayo guys, excited na ba kayo for our trip? Siyempre kasama ko kayo, diba? So ito na yung mga famous na mga motorsiklo dito sa Hanoi. Ano? So Hanoi is the capital city of Vietnam and the second largest city after Ho Chi Minh. Our first stop is a cafe. Itong cafe na malapit sa hotel natin. Kasi ang hotel natin napakaganda ng location. So this is La Mensa Cafe. Let's go. So what are your orders?
This is salted coffee.
Salted coffee. How much?
49.
49.
Yeah, it's 49,000.
It's 49,000. Ayong 49,000 dong. Dong. 49,000 for coffee. How about you? What is that?
I forgot. It's a caramel thing.
The important is, it's 49,000.
55,000.
Oh, 55,000. Excuse me, not 49, but 55,000. How about you?
I didn't order.
Oh, me? I have this pretty yogurt for 49,000. Labas tayo ng konti for the view of Hanoi from above. So this is the bustling Old Quarter. Ulit-ulit tayo dun, no? From above. Ayan yung mga kumakain lang sa side ng authentic Vietnamese food. Daming ano dito, daming turista. Kita niyo yun, yung mga nakamaleta pa. First impression Hanoi, I love the energy. I love the vibe. I love the ambience ng mga motor. Alam mo yung sound ng mga pedicab. Di ko alam kung tawag doon basta yung pula. How about you, Ate Andy? What's your first impression of Hanoi? This is your second country.
So far, para lang ako
Nasa Pinas. Sabi nga yan, parang Pinas. Parang Binondo. Sorry. Binondo feels.
Oh my God! Everybody is...
Tawid. Ayun, all over the place pa ang mga sasakyan. Kaya ingat-ingat. May ilang araw pa tayo dito. Parang gusto kong kumain dito, guys. Uy, ayun pala yung hotel natin. Let's go. How about you, Claude? Your first impression? Hanoi?
There's some combination of common chaotic.
Common chaotic? Calm and chaotic.
I think it's relaxing, but so many things are happening.
Oh,
But
yeah.
it's so relaxing for me.
Camp and chaotic. Ang ganda po ng location namin, guys. Ng hotel namin. Oops, hindi ko sure. Ask natin si ate. So this is outside of our accommodation. This is the old quarter. Paglabas ng hotel, dami ng kainan, daming souvenir shops, and daming motor. Kaya ate Andy natatakot tumawid. We just have to be really careful dito sa Hanoi. Kasi ang daming ang motor. And ang daming foreigners, guys, ha. Parang gusto ko magpa-spa. Gusto ba magpa-massage one of these days? Try the Vietnamese massage. Awa, yun na. Uy, wala namang pila. Ayun, no? Poli Kuksu. Alright, so we've arrived dito sa sinasabi nilang best pho in Hanoi. And this is Michelin recognized. So meron siyang award, bib award from Michelin. And that award is for value for money. Ayan, maraming tao because lunchtime. How are you, no? May Michelin. So ito po yung kanyang Michelin sign. 2023, very latest. So isa ito sa mga nababasa ko talaga sa vlogs and napapanood sa vlogs na best pho in Hanoi. It's jam-packed because it's 12. So this is the best pho in Hanoi. I'm not sure if ito yung half-done beef or well-done. Pero this is Thai Chin. A combination of half-done with well-done beef. And it's noodles na manipis na malapad. Noodles na manipis na malapad. And beef na parang samgyup yung itsura. This steak for our friends, from our friends. Sakto lang daw. Pero sa akin kasi lahat masarap. Kaya hindi ako pwede mag-food vlogger, guys. So itong ano natin dito, food review, dinadala ko lang kayo sa experience ko sa pagkain.
For 150, that's okay na.
Okay, nagtado. Siyempre, compared naman sa magpupunta tayong Korea, siguro nasa 300 yun. Ganyan. Japan, nasa 500, mura ng 500. Diba? Europe, mura na siguro yung 1,000 dun.
700 per meal.
Oo ka. So, okay. Okay yung price niya. In retrospect, sa mga napuntahan nating bansa. In retrospect, ha?
Nakaka-pressure lang kumain.
Siya, hindi na pressure. Uy, ito yung mga paintings. Goal kong bumili ng paintings. Huwag ka na kaya. Or later na lang, matagal pa naman tayo dito. Magkape muna tayo. Oh! Ay, may titingnan si Claude.
Mouse daw. Nasira yung mouse niya.
Let's go.
Kaya naman sa airport.
Pogi din yung mga Vietnamese, ha? Cute sila.
Oh, this
Yun palang, hindi tayo magka-cafe hopping. Sa sightseeing lang tayo, Ate Andy. Joke lang. Joke lang.
Bibiling ko lang lahat ng
Blue.
magkano nga ba?
The blue mouse. Ang cute naman ng mouse nila dito sa Vietnam. Transparent. 450?
Magkano? I don't know how much that is.
Uy, ang mahal nun. Sige, go.
Candy.
Sa bagay. Si Claude yung yung kasama mong hindi nagbibilang.
Hindi kasi mag-aayos ako ng data mamaya.
As a working girl. Yeah. Thank you. What is thank you in Vietnamese? What is thank you in Vietnamese?
Thank you.
Yes.
Come on.
So, yun yung
Come on.
naalala ko yun.
Come on?
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on? Yeah.
Come on.
Thank you.
Sa kanila.
Come on.
Come
Come on. Tam something.
Yung come on yung 1,000.
Come on.
That's not bad.
Ang cute ng mga Vietnamese. Ang cute nyo mag-smile. Teka lang, view ko muna pala yung view ko muna yung maps. Ate, feeling ko magaling ka sa maps. Feeling ko kapag makita mo yung maps, mabivisualize mo na kung saan dadaan. Feeling ko ganun kang klase ng tao. So ngayon, ipapakita ko sa yung maps, tapos yung challenge, makapunta tayo doon kasi mag-vlog ako. Ang hirap ng navigator, tapos nag-vlog. How much? 50,000? Oh. We will think about it. Sorry, we'll just walk. We just want to walk. It's okay. We're gonna go to cafe. Thank you. Yes. Yes, next time. Thank you. So pwede pala to guys. Naka-tour. Next time. We'll find you because we have to go to a cafe. Thank you. Pero nice. Pili ko ate experience din natin yan. Next time. Thank you. Ano tayo dito? More explore. Dire-diretso lang ate.
Hindi ko alam kung saan tayo.
Hayaan na natin. Okay lang naman mawala. It's just 2:20.
May sign kaya?
Hidden Gem Cafe. Tingnan ko na lang pag nandun na tayo. Here dito sa Old Quarter, may mga shops na dito. Ito may mga tela-tela. And maraming dito, cafe, kaya magka-cafe hopping tayo. May Pilipinas vibe siya, pero mas walkable. Ang daming puno. Yun, doon ako natutuwa kasi maraming puno. Kaya kahit nasa city tayo, mahangin. And actually medyo mainit, pero may hangin. Kaya nakakatuwa. Hindi ako masyadong pinagpapawisan. Nakakatakot naman dito, hindi gumagalaw yung stoplight. Nakakatakot tumawid. Sunod na lang tayo sa mga tao. Uy! Very Vietnam yan. Ay, sunod tayo sa kanila! Success! Kailangan talaga natin magdahan-dahan dito kasi kung hindi, masaside-swept tayo. But again, I love the vibe, overall vibe, the ambience of this city. It feels so alive here in Old Quarter. Old Quarter, again, is the most famous and most touristy spot here in Hanoi. Nasabi ko kay Ate Andy, as Pinoys, I think sanay na rin naman tayo sa mga ganito. Mas wild lang dito, kaya kailangan pa natin ng konting polishing sa, pag skip natin. Tayo mga Pinoy, hinasa tayo ng patintero para sa mga ganitong sitwasyon diba? So, may mga motor na bigla-bigla na lang dadaan, kailangan hindi ka madaplisan. Isang gulyo natin dito sa Vietnam na hindi tayo madadaplisan habang naglalakad sa sidewalk. Kasi napakaraming motorsiklo dito sa Vietnam. Hanoi in particular. Muntik ka na.
Bawal kang tumingin sa sahig.
Bawal kang tumingin sa sahig kasi kung hindi, in a split second, nabangga ka na pala. Hidden talaga siya dahil let's go. Ang nice ate dito. Welcome. Ang nice. Oh, this is beautiful. I love the aesthetics. Hello! Xin chào. Do we order here? Uy, mura lang. Compared sa mga nakita natin kaninang nasa 49K, 55K. This coffee shop is very environmental friendly. Since may mga recycled sila things here. Ayan, may motor. Mga bote ng liquor. Picture tayo ate dito. Itong Vietnamese coffee ko, 70 pesos lang to. Tapos yan, 70. Apparently, in the Philippines,
125 pesos.
sa restaurants. Oh, Oh, okay. Wala, gulat ako. Mura siya. Tapos, imagine, authentic Vietnamese coffee. Siyempre, pili ko mas mura talaga pag dito sa Vietnam bibilhin. Kasi Vietnamese coffee. Nandito mismo yung yung sangkap. Ganda-ganda ng vibe dito. Ganda lang mag-relax. Sinasabi ko kanina kay Ate Andy, ito na yung gusto kong trip. Laid back. Relax lang. Kasi nung nag-Osaka kayo, pak. Punong-puno. Ito, may make sure ko siya kasi first day, alam kong pagod tayo, cafe hopping lang. And sana nakasama natin friends natin kasi nagtatrabaho sila. I think they'd enjoy it more here while working. With the ambience of the hangin, with the music. May mga customers na sa baba. Wala, ang ganda lang dito. This is 5 PM Hanoi. I thought yung rush hour dito talagang punong-puno itong old quarter ng mga motor. Pero saks lang pala. May mga dito, bus na dumadaan. Di ko sure kung paano sumakay ng bus. Hala, wala si Claude. I think nag-work pa rin si Claude. Our next stop is the original egg coffee. So this Cafe Giang is from 1946. So this was the one who invented the original egg coffee. The egg coffee from Vietnam. We'll taste the original egg coffee, guys, here in Vietnam. Of course, egg coffee was invented here in Vietnam due to the lack of milk during the French War. Trivia. Let's taste this one. Creamy. Lahat naman sa akin masarap. But I'll give this a 5/5.
Let me taste it again.
Tasting egg coffee in Vietnam is an experience.
I think the size is perfect na it's small. Like, I feel drunk kasi it's so tasty na kapag masyadong madami, parang nakakasama. But this is the perfect size, I think.
Again in the original egg coffee place, Coffee Giang, here in Hanoi, Vietnam. Along the way, marami talagang cute stores dito sa old quarter in Hanoi. Ang cute naman nito, Ate Andy. Yung puno. Yung kuya din. O, hindi siya nag-i-stop. Bala ka sa buhay mo. Uy, ang dami talaga. I think this is the country na isang area. Sunod-sunod yung kape, guys. As in. It's okay, Lily. Din Lily nakita yung pugi. Cute. Nag-work pa si Lolo. Tawid lang pala, tawid lang. Wag mag-hesitate pala. Tawid lang. Yan ang sabi ni Tita Lani. Tita Lani, shoutout out. Okay lang. Okay lang din mawala dito at maglakad-lakad. Kasi ang daming pwedeng makita dito sa old quarter. Dito sa Hanoi. So this is Vietnam at 6 PM. Daming motor. This is really downtown Hanoi. May mga din you know, the popular brands like Aldo dito. Wala pa kami nakitang McDo. Alam mo, gusto ko matry yung Jollibee dito. Kakaiba daw, magulay daw yung Jollibee dito eh. Oo, sa Hanoi. Or Vietnam. Not sure kung Hanoi yun. Wow, ito yung lagi kong nakikita sa sa vlogs or sa pictures. Ito nga yung super busy na intersection. Mama. Dito na lang. Cool. So, may mga prutas. Sa'yo lang mag-explore dito sa old quarter. I love the bustling experience here. Ito, may din, may shop ng mga kape. I think na mga pwedeng pampasalubong. coffee. Sayang maglakad dito. Iba to guys sa European countries or sa Korea na kapag makita ng kotse or motor na tatawid ka, sila yung titigil in advance talaga. Like, di na sila gagalaw. Dito talaga dire-diretso. And it's an experience. This is the Hanoi culture, which is very bustling and vibrant. Challenging. Challenging yung mga kaganapan dito sa Hanoi. I'm loving my first day here. I feel like a true Hanoian. Hanoian? Ay, ganun talaga Hanoian. Saan? Ay, may lanterns. Grabe, ang ganda ng Vietnam. I mean, it's my first day here and I'm surprised how beautiful Vietnam is. Walang mga skyscraper sa city center. Para siyang ano eh, parang France na preserve yung city center. Kailangan parang uniform siya tingnan. Bawal yung tall buildings. Ganda. Ganda ng Vietnam. Diyan kami kumain kanina. Grabe yung pila. Pinipilahan na po siya. Ayan o. Oo. That's the best Hanoi according to the internet. And according to Michelin, it's part of the Bib Gourmand. Tama ba? Bib Gourmand awardee here in Hanoi. So yeah, truly masarap dyan yung pho. Home of the best pho daw in Hanoi. Nandito tayo sa parang isang convenience store. Parang Watson siya. And interesting kasi yung mga brands, hindi ko sila familiar. I'm not sure if these are local brands. Pero malamang, no? Parang kulang dito yung nakikita ko sa Philippines.
Garnier. Perfect Way.
Ang nice.
Pond.
Talagang yung Vietnam, very very
Demonetized.
very local. Ang nice. Marami ditong brands na hindi ko kilala. We're in Hanoi House, Cafe and Bar. So this is a French colonial house na almost 100 years old. And it's in front of the St. Joseph Cathedral, which was built by the French colonial government.
Nagre-record na.
Para kung nasa party. Okay guys, tikman natin itong red wine. Delish. Hello.
Delish ang liwanag.
Ang liwanag. Madilim kasi dito but it's a whole vibe. This is the authentic French colonial house experience turned into cafe bar. I mean, sinabi.
Hindi na kailangan mag-research eh kasi while
Because I think,
this is our tour guide.
Yeah, because I think we'll be able to appreciate the places more if we know the history. Because if we don't know the history, it's just a mere aesthetic. A place without soul.
Wow.
Pwede na talagang TV host, no? Biyahe ni Dave. Blue Arellano Homes.
Watch out.
Watch out. Okay. So this is Hanoi at night. So the very small chairs plus people converging over drinks. This is the Hanoi culture at night that I see. Ang saya naman, may mga tita dito. Cute. Ito guys, yung nakikita nyo sa likod, may lake dyan. It's Hoon Kiem or Kim Lake. Famous kasi may legend na nakatouch dyan sa lake na yan. Yung isang hari daw ay binigyan ng sword ng isang turtle genie that defeated the conquerors, yung mga mananakop. Ang Hoon Kiem Lake na very famous dito sa Hanoi. Kitang baby. Ayun guys, sana na-enjoy nyo itong ating first day in Hanoi vlog as we shared our first impressions about this city and in this country in general. Again, it's bustling, vibrant, pero ang pinaka-tumatak sa akin na description ay yung kay Claude. It's chaotic yet calming. There's this chaotic yet calming charm yung Hanoi. And I love the vibe, I love the ambience, I love the energy here. Nakakabusog ng puso. And again, everywhere, there are cafes. There are cafes around. Kasi of course, Hanoi or Vietnam is known for its coffee. So kapag magpupunta kayo dito, you can stay in the whole old quarter where we stay para accessible sa inyo yung mga tourist spots, tapos maraming kainan, yung mga Michelin, yung mga restaurants or kainan na pasok sa Michelin Guide, and other kainan dito na very famous kasi ang sasarap guys ng Vietnamese foods. Okay? So I hope guys you enjoy this vlog. Again, kapag mag-Vietnam kayo, you can use my promo code kapag mag-book kayo sa Klook, Dave Gino, for 5% off. Okay, 5% off to maximize your savings. So guys, here from Hanoi, Vietnam, thank you so much for watching, and sana kahit papaano nadala ko kayo dito sa Hanoi. Bye bye! My SIM is from Big Travel Store pala guys. So pwede nyong i-visit yung Facebook page nila if you want to get a SIM for Vietnam and other countries. I-chat nyo na lang yung messenger nila para magtanong kayo for inquiries. Okay? So thank you Big Travel Store for this eSIM. Shout out din kay Tita Lani. Hi Tita! Hi Tita, Xin Chao from Vietnam.